Hi Boxycharmers, for today's video we are going to open our February box. They actually delivered this early this month, and this is just the regular box. It looks a little bit big, right? But this is just the regular box. I think that's $21. Yeah, I'm actually excited to open this and see what's inside. So let's crack it open. Yep. No! I was expecting for the brush and I get the sponge. Okay, I get a lot of sponge already. Oh, I actually have another brushes. Okay, so in my box, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 5 products, and one is this Luxie complete sponge set, bake, contour, and detail. So this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna open this because I still have a lot of sponges laying out here, so I don't think I'm gonna use this for now. So that's pretty okay. But I want to try it actually. Maybe one of my videos, I'm using this and I'm gonna update you guys if what it feels like. If you want me to compare this Luxie sponge and Real Techniques sponge, just comment down below. Next one is... Okay, so I actually have this brush from Moda Pro. This is their 5-piece deluxe eye kit. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This one I can open because I know I'm gonna use this more often. So in this set we have the bristles feel so soft. Okay, so these one are detail brushes. I actually like this. I like this. Yeah, I know I'm gonna use this. So we have this BMX 420, the detail one. This is what it looks like. And we have some smudger, BMX 402. And we have this BMX crease brush 430. And we have this BMX 466, the shade brush. And we have this BMX, the line brush. Okay, so out of my 5 products, I have 2 tool products. Oh, okay, so we have this Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts. What this one do? Target loss of elasticity and firmness while visible reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 5-peptide blend. So I like that. So I'm actually excited to use this because my facial serum is almost gone. So this is a perfect timing in my box. So that is really nice. Look at that. This is what it looks like. Alright, let's open this. Ooh. So this is actually 30 ml, not bad. So this is actually a big bottle because usually serums are only like 15 ml, but this is 30 ml. So that is really nice. 12 months. When you open this will last for 12 months. That is really good. I want to try this now. Look at that. It's yellowish. It's supposed to be yellow. Comment down below if the color of this one is normal. Oh, that feels nice. I like that feeling. It feels like it will hydrate you, and it actually sinks in the skin so fast. My 4th product is this correcting primer. Oh no, sunburn alert. There is an AHA in this one, sunburn alert. This product contains an alpha hydroxy acid that may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Use a sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and limit sun exposure while using this product and for a week afterwards. Oh no. So I'm thinking that you can only use this at nighttime. Silicone free, that's nice. So let's see what this primer feels like. So when you open this, it will last only for 18 months. That smells good. And it's not oily. And my last product is this Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. So this is what it looks like. So this is for the hair. Alright, we're gonna try this now. Ooh, so it's not sealed. Okay. Alright, so maybe I can use just a little tiny bit. Is that too much? Oh, it smells so good. I like the smell. It smells like you're in the beach. I love the smell of this, man. It's very summery. Oh, I love the smell of this. It smells so good. So this is supposed to be $98 for 30 ml. And this Luxy Complete Sponge set supposed to be $40. So that's a lot for sponges, in my opinion. So this Amika hair cream is $25. So this Moda eye brush set is supposed to be $27.95 for this 5 pieces eye brush set. And this one is retail for $17. Really? Yeah, those are the prices.